Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen.
สวัสดีค่ะ
My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Thai red curry chicken wing. Alright, today we're going to make the crispy chicken wing with a lot of Thai flavors. So we're going to start with our herb first. So I have the kaffir lam leaf. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Alright, I'm going to remove the middle part, just like so. Because the middle part is very hard and tough to eat, tough to chew on it. So we're just going to remove the middle part. You just hold in the middle and then just pull them up. Okay, and then when you remove the middle part already, I just going to tear them so a little bit the half pieces so they open up more flavor. Yes, you can help. You can tear them. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, just take in half. Just tear them like yeah, just like this. Alright, I set the kaffir lam leaf on the side. And next, I'm going to chop the garlic. I have 6 cloves of garlic, so I'm going to chop the garlic. Okay. Do this way, kind of easier. Okay, just like now, I just put the knife on the garlic and just remove the garlic skin. It's easier. Okay, so after I remove the garlic skin, so now I'm going to chop them small. All 6 cloves. Okay, so I cut the 6 cloves the garlic, and also now the garlic gonna be on the side with the kaffir lam leaf, but not mixing them because when we're cooking, we will cooking all different times. Alright. Okay, and next we're going to cut our chicken wing. If you buy like me, okay, so now I'm going to separate the pieces.
I don't like it.
Okay. In Thailand, they sell these pieces too. They like to fry them real crispy, and they sell it too. And people like to eat on the skin. You will find that a lot at the street food or farmer market or street food in Thailand. People like to eat them. These pieces, seriously, all the skin very crispy and really good. Okay, some of you guys might already find the chicken wing is already cut, but me, I have the big pieces. They still didn't cut separate for you. So the easy way to cut, just find the joint like this and then just cut through. Very easy. Do the same thing with the other side. Same thing, and then now you can have them separate like this. I know. Okay, after I remove the small wing, the bottom wing, so now it's like this is 2-pound chicken, so total is 16 when I separate. Okay, when you remove the little wing, it might not be 2 pounds, but total 16 pieces. Now I'm going to seasoning our chicken. Okay, I have a half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon white pepper. Okay, just want to give them an extra flavor. Before I put the next ingredient, I go and wash my hand already. Okay, and next I put the cornstarch. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons cornstarch into the chicken to cover. Okay, I'm gonna use about 2.5 tablespoons. Okay, and gonna add a little bit of water. For the water, just adding a little bit at a time, 2 tablespoons at a time, because you don't want to put too much water too, and just use your hand to mix the flour and the chicken. Yeah, just about 2.5 tablespoons cornstarch and about 2 tablespoons of water. You don't want to put too much water. Just want the flour to cover the chicken like this, like so. Not too much, not too little. Okay, and I already preheat my oil to be hot, and now I turn to the medium heat and make sure your oil already hot. Okay, and I'm gonna put all the chicken. I use the three cup of the cooking oil. I'm gonna put all, I try to put all in one cooking. Okay, this is a large pieces. I put it right here, and now not mix them or not touch them yet, because otherwise if you're doing, the skin is gonna stick into the pan. So let the skin and the flour with the oil, with the cooking, it's cover them first before you can flip them. And I still into the medium heat, and also we're going to cook about 8 to 10 minutes, depend how much the chicken you use or how big is your chicken. All right, let me go to the sink and wash my hand. Okay, being about 2 minutes when I put the chicken, now I'm going to flip to separate the chicken and flip them a little bit. So on the side, I can go into the middle and make sure they're all cooking. But I still doing the medium heat because I don't want to do a very high heat, because the skin is going to get too dark before all the chicken is cooked inside. So I still doing medium heat. Okay, and now the chicken is already cooked about 5 minutes, and as you can see, the skin is very nice and not stick together. All right, so now the chicken is almost done. It's already halfway through. Now I'm going to put the heat at higher, so the skin outside can be golden brown and dark brown and crispy. So I up the heat to be high. Okay, and we're gonna cook another 5 minutes. And now my chicken start changing color. Okay, after 10 minutes, the chicken is still not really dark brown, not look crispy. So I let them fry another 5 more minutes. So okay, until you see the color brown like this, and you see the skin start cooking. Now I'm going to remove chicken to the cooling rack. Right now, I'm going to remove the small pieces first and try to look for the one really crispy one first. Okay, gonna remove them all. And sometimes, don't forget, depend your oil, depend your heat, and depend your chicken too. Just keep fry them until you see the golden, until you really like them. Okay. Okay, this is the last pieces, and look at them. Sometimes I can just eat them already like this. But today we're going to make the spicy red curry sauce. So now I'm going to turn off the heat, and be really careful if you want to use the same wok. I can use the same wok, so I have to be really careful to remove the oil. Alright, I remove the oil, but then I let them here about 2 tablespoons so we can making the sauce. And now the oil already hot because we just fried the chicken, of course. And we're going to add the garlic. Okay, the chopped garlic, we chopped them earlier. Okay, put all the garlic inside there. 6 cloves chopped garlic. Thai people love garlic. We love crispy garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic until the crispy. Okay, when the garlic start changing color, I'm going to add the next ingredient. So gonna be our red curry, but for the garlic, you have to be really cooking them slow because they burn very easy. But you don't like burn garlic because they're gonna get you really bitter taste. So gonna use the 1.5 tablespoon the red curry. So 1 tablespoon going there, and gonna use another 1/2 tablespoon. I use the red curry. You can use your favorite red curry that you like. Okay, and I'm going to mix them. This is gonna be the red curry and the crispy garlic. Mix them. Okay, I'm still in the low heat. Okay, gonna cook the curry and the garlic together until the smell changing smell and smell really good, and then you can tell it's gonna take about 2 minutes. Now the garlic and the red curry cooking together really good and smell really good. Now I'm going to add the red chili powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon red chili powder, but if you don't like too spicy for you, just cut it down. Okay, and now I'm going to cook just 10 seconds for the chili because they cook very fast and burn very easy. So be careful with your heat, stay the low heat. Okay, next I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons water. 2 tablespoons water. Okay, mixing them. And we're going to seasoning them with the 2 teaspoons sugar. It's supposed to be sweet and spicy. Only taste good like that for the chicken wings. Okay, and we're going to add the salt in it now. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, just substitute to the salt. We just need 1 teaspoon. So only a little bit for just umami Thai flavor. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon the oyster sauce. Okay, about 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. I know, I just guess, but I make this a lot, so I try to remember. But if you're not sure, it's just gonna have to use the spoon. Okay, and you just have to make sure the sauce is a little bit thicker, and then you're gonna taste them. So be careful, really hot. I'm going to taste my sauce. Salty and sweet, and yeah, it's spicy too. If you like more sweet or more salty, you just add on this time. Alright, and then next I just want to make sure my sauce is cooked and sticking enough before I add the chicken. Okay, I'm going to turn the medium heat, and now we're going to add the chicken. Alright, so when you're happy with your sauce, now I'm going to add the chicken. Look at this chicken. I'm gonna add some more in here. Alright, and don't forget your couple lamb. Okay, the one that we having earlier. Put the couple lamb in here. Okay, now mix them. Look at this. You just want to make sure all the chicken is covered with the sauce, and the couple lamb get all the heat, so they get you a very good smell. The essential oil from the couple lamb when it gets touched with the heat. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Now I still have the heat, medium heat on. Now the chicken covered with all the sauce. Look at this. Cannot wait to try it. I should still cooking them because I want the couple lamb getting all flavored. Or you can add the couple lamb before you add the chicken. That would be a good idea too. Alright, and now we're done. When the chicken is covered with all the sauce and the couple lamb give you really good smell. Okay, now we're ready to taste this. It's gonna be spicy, sweet, yummy. Alright. Okay, and now I'm just gonna have to put them into the plate. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, cannot wait to try it. Gonna be sweet, spicy, and taste a little bit of curry. Now ready to taste it. It smells really good with kaffir lamb leaf, garlic, and red curry. Can I use my hand? Cold. You have to eat the chicken wing with the hand. Can't wait. I wish you can hear crispy. I wish you can hear the sound. You're gonna have to try it. Look at the chicken inside. Still moist and the crispy on the outside, and still very moist on the inside. Look at this. For me, the chili is not very spicy. This one that I used is not very spicy, so it's good. Because if you go too spicy, you might not enjoy the wing and all the taste. This is a good, perfect for me. Okay, I want to eat more and more, but we have to end this video, right? I'm sorry I put it right there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.